Sometimes, the will is mightier than the challenges. And this is my story. I am Ashirvad Pipes. I was born in 1975 as just a pipe. But today I have grown as a brand, one in a million. I started in a small town, but I had big dreams, which brought me to Bangalore in 1994. Here, I found that farmers used iron pipes to pump water. These pipes were difficult to handle, to carry and install, and were costlier. Moreover, they would tend to rust over a period of time. So I thought of developing an alternative to these iron pipes. It was a revolutionary thought, which my team converted into reality in 1998. When we invented a special type of PVC pipe with unmatched strength, lighter in weight, easy to install, cheaper than iron pipes, and amazingly long-lasting. And this is how I introduced a revolutionary product, not just in India, but to the world. The concept of UPVC column pipes for submersible pumps. This was just the beginning. Then I traveled miles into the rural markets, meeting dealers, farmers and mechanics. Within a few years, I introduced a number of innovations, like the thick and thin technology and the SS wire lock, the world's first patented technology of its kind, providing incomparably strong joints. So you see, I challenged, I changed, I pioneered. Today I am the largest manufacturer and exporter of UPVC column pipes in the world, having installed more than 30 lakh bore wells across the globe. Then with the rise of the new millennium, I became a licensee of Lubrizol, world's #1 CPVC compound manufacturing company, and flooded the Indian market with my young brand, Ashirvad CPVC pipes and fittings. With this master product, I became the fastest growing licensee of Lubrizol in India, Middle East, Southeast Asia and Africa. My next big achievement was a combination of design and quality in making Aqualife, a PVC plumbing pipe for cold water applications, made as per ASTM standards. Then came the year 2008, a year of great reward for me when I was honored with the National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurship in Medium Enterprise by the Prime Minister of India. In 2010, I became the first CPVC pipe manufacturer in India to get an ISI certification for CPVC pipes up to 2 inches. With growing requirements from the market, I was all set to live up to the expectations of the customers. In 2012, I set up a new factory for manufacturing SWR pipes. And with my relentless appetite for innovation, I introduced the famous Yellow Seal push-fit technology in SWR pipes for the first time in India. No glue, no solvents, just push, fit and have a perfect leak-proof joint. During my journey, my spirit of entrepreneurship was enhanced by my determination for the best possible quality. A flawless supply chain management, and by the All India Distribution Network, which I created over a period of years. Going global in 2013, I entered into a partnership with a global giant, Aliaxis, which is a Brussels-based company with presence in over 40 countries. Oh, what a journey it has been. In 1998, I began on a 1-acre land with a small turnover of rupees 4.7 crores. And today in 2017, my turnover is over 2,400 crore rupees. Going higher with every passing year. With 20 well-equipped warehouses, 1,100 distributors, with network of over 35,000 dealers across the country, my infrastructure and my capabilities to service the market and the customers is constantly increasing. And I'm proud to announce that with the love of my customers and the support of my distributors and dealers, I am the world's largest selling CPVC pipes and fittings company. The market is flooded with our pipes and fittings and with several new products, and we are present in the smallest town of our country. Among the new products I introduced are WC pan connectors, air admittance valves, silent and silent plus SWR pipes, fire collars, waste and traps, ball and butterfly valves, concealed valves, concealed diverters, reclaim pipes, and grease and solid interceptors. Many of these products have already made a successful niche for themselves in the market. Time never forgets to reward. One of my finest moments was in November 2014 when KPMG recognized me as one of the 100 fastest growing marketing brands in Asia. This has been my journey so far. I am still marching ahead and will create many more milestones in the coming years. I am Ashirvad Pipes, your one-stop shop for plumbing, sanitary and drainage needs.